Alright, good morning guys. Jason Greystone here from Trade Empowered UK. Just wanted to put out a quick video because I know lots of you guys are interested in pattern formations, advanced pattern formations, Gartley's, bats, ciphers, and I wanted to share with you something on the pound dollar and really how, when markets in consolidation, these patterns that we teach at Trade Empowered can be very effectively implemented into your trading. We know that markets are in consolidation around 70 to 80% of the time, and they're only trending around 20 to 30% of the time. So it's good having being able to read structure and price action, previous support and resistance levels, and having and noting down those respected areas in each of the markets in your portfolio as well. But it's also good to have another trading style in your toolbox, and for when markets are consolidating, that means we can make some money in this mess, in this consolidation zone. And what I want to share with you is this on the pound dollar. You can see here over the last 2 or 3 weeks we've been moving sideways, so you can just see in this area here, this is what we call consolidation. Now the reason these pattern formations form in this area is because they are a combination of retracements and extensions in the market. And when we get the right combination of extensions and retracements in this area, well, then we get our rules of engagement met for these advanced patterns, which occur very frequently in the markets. So they're high probability trading opportunities, so that we know we're right more than we're wrong, and we know that we win more when we're right than we lose when we're wrong, because they're typically more than a one-to-one risk reward. And what I want to share with you is I just want to run through how effective this can be. So we can identify this consolidation zone here on the daily, and if we drop down to the lower time frame, what you're going to see that consolidation very clearly. You can just see that we're moving sideways, right? Sideways, bouncing up and down in this channel in here, moving sideways, not really doing a lot. So if we bring on our fib retracement and start to draw in some retracements, we can start to see if these rules of engagement are met. And one thing that you can see here is if we bring on our fib retracement tool, you can see that we've got a bat formation, potential bat formation setting up at 132.63. So we've got a bat formation setting up at 132.63. So you're going to have to get your stops above X. Haven't completed yet. We've penetrated the B leg. We haven't completed yet. But if you get your stops above X and you're entering at 132.63, we know these patterns have we know that they have a higher percentage win rate. So we know through backtesting that we're right more than we're wrong, and you can see when we're right, we win more than we're wrong. If you're taking targets down at that 382 retracement, you're going to see that you're getting more than a one-to-one on that bat formation. So you can see as we consolidate, we start to breed these pattern formations within this zone. Those of you who take 2 contracts will be looking for 618 retracement for target 2s, which I'll be looking for, and you can see that it's a decent risk reward, right? Obviously once target 1's hit, we can roll our stops to break even. So if I take you one step further now, we're down on the 60. You can see that we've got a potential Gartley formation setting up, a bearish Gartley down at 130.81. So if we bring on our tool, X to A to B, B to C, and CD completion down at 130.81, you can see that there's a bullish Gartley down there at 130.81, which means market moves up, we know we've got a high probability of earning some money. And if market moves down, we've got a high probability of earning some money. So you can really start to see how effective these advanced patterns can be in this consolidation zone, and how frequently they present themselves. But I want to take you even further now and drop down to the 15. So if you're a day trader, or you trade down on the lower time frames, what you're going to see is we've got a potential cipher formation. This is what we call a cipher formation, one of the most prolific and profitable pattern strategies that I trade personally. So as you can see, a potential cipher completing first before the Gartley. So I just wanted to share with you the fact that in this consolidation zone, I've got a bat formation, I've got a Gartley formation, and I've got a cipher formation, all high probability trading opportunities, all potentially completing within this consolidation zone. So I just wanted to demonstrate how effective they are, how frequent they appear. And these are the types of trading strategies that we teach over at Trade Empowered. So now there's lots of ways to trade these patterns, okay? Other than the cipher pattern, which was invented by Trade Empowered, I'm not saying there's a wrong or right way to trade any of them. It all depends on your backtesting and your results on your backtesting. But what I am saying is we teach very specific rules of engagement for each of them. So if you are interested in learning more about these patterns, just go over to Trade Empowered, click on Products and Services, and you can enroll for the Advanced Pattern Trader course or the 12-week transformation course, and you can learn to trade these patterns. I hope this has been helpful, guys. I know that a lot of you like these patterns. I get a lot of emails about pattern trades and where the X leg is, where the A leg is, what an impulse leg is, what an anchor leg is. So I just wanted to share this with you just so you could see how effective they were. And I'll see you in the live room. Those of you who are members of my live room, I'll be starting at 8 o'clock this morning. We'll be going through this in the room in more detail. So if you want to become a member of the room, obviously go to www.tradeempowered.co.uk, click on the London live room banner, and you can come in for a free week, see if you like it, and hopefully I'll see you in there. So take care, guys.